I'm going to explain future perfect tense. Okay. First of all, what is future perfect tense? You should know that. फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस मतलब कोई काम जो फ्यूचर में भविष्य में पूरा हो गया होगा. ओके, इन फ्यूचर. जैसे आई शैल हैव गॉन टू द मार्केट बाय दिस टाइम. इस समय तक मैं मार्केट चला गया होगा या होंगी. ठीक है. सो फ्यूचर परफेक्ट मीन्स anything that denotes or points to the completion of work, of any task. Okay, so I will have done my work by this time. इस समय तक मैं अपना काम कर चुकी होंगी या कर चुका होऊंगा. Okay, so what is the structure of the future perfect tense? Let's see. It is subject. Subject can be singular, plural, first person, second person or third person. Shall will be used with the first person, both of with its plural and singular form. Will for the second person, for the third person. Okay. Then plus have. We don't use has here in the future perfect tense. In the future tense we don't use has. With every subject we will take have only. Okay. Plus verbs third form. In the perfect tense we use the third form of the verb. Okay. Plus object. Okay. Example. I shall have done my work. अपना काम कर चुकी होंगी. Okay. If you want to add some point of time, you can add to it. Or you will have done your work. She will have done her work. See children, she is the third person, singular, but we have used have here. So in the future perfect tense we use for each and every subject we use have only. Okay, so the structure is subject plus shall or will plus have plus verbs third form plus object. Now I am going to tell you how to write the negative form as well as the interrogative form of the future perfect tense. The negative form of the future tense, future perfect tense, how we have to form the negative structure. Okay, let's see. It will be subject first. Subject will come first, then shall or will plus not. After shall and will or will, we have to put not for the negation. Okay, then have plus verbs third form plus object. Example, I or we shall, after shall not, because it is the negative form. Shall not have gone to the market. Likewise, you. With you, we will take will. You will not have gone to the market. Okay. She will have not. She will not have gone to the market. So, the negative form will be subject shall or will plus not plus have plus verbs third form plus object. I or we shall not have gone to the market. She will not have gone to the market. She will not have gone to the market. Okay. Hello children. Back to the video in a second, but before that I want to inform you all that I'm taking online classes also. So if you are really liking my videos and you are okay with the explanation, so you can join the Telegram group of mine. The link is given in the description. Thank you. Children, the interrogative form of future perfect tense. How to form the interrogative प्रश्नवाचक. हम किस तरीके से इसको फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस में हम उसको प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य में लिख सकते हैं. ओके, तो फॉर दैट वी नीड टू write the helping verb first. Shall or will come first. Okay, then the subject will come. Okay, then have. If you are writing the interrogative form in the positive form, then have will come. Okay, shall I have, then the verb's third form will come. Okay, and then object, and then don't forget this question mark. Okay, shall. Example, shall I have eaten an apple? Question mark. Okay, shall I have eaten an apple? Then will you have eaten an apple? Will he have eaten an apple? So children, here the first subject, the helping verb shall or will come, then the subject will come, then have will come, then the verb's third form, eat, ate, eaten. Okay, eaten is the third form of the verb eat, and apple. Okay, so in this way we have to form the interrogative form. Shall or will, the helping verb will first come, and then the subject, then have will come, plus verb's third form, plus object. Have will be, we are going to use have with all the three person, first person, either it is first, second or third, or singular or plural. Okay children, so children, hope you have understood well the concept of future perfect tense. So even if you have not subscribed to the channel, then kindly do that, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.